After a volatile first half of the month, the market is now entering a phase where the question is no longer about predicting the next big move, but about understanding whether the market is ready to trend or whether it is preparing to pause, consolidate, or correct further. Instead of guessing, we'll do what we always do: let price lead and let options confirm. Hi, this is Kamal. In this analysis, there are no predictions or trade calls. I am simply reading what price action, options data, and statistics are telling us for Nifty for the current week. Let's begin with price. Nifty is currently trading close to the 25,700 region, which has emerged as a clear equilibrium zone for this expiry, scheduled on 20th. Price is holding above the immediate support zone between 25,400 and 25,600, but it is also struggling to gain acceptance above the 25,800 to 26,000 supply range. Starting with put open interest, we continue to see meaningful put positioning between 25,400 and 25,600. This indicates that participants are still defending the downside, preventing sharp breakdowns for now. However, when we shift focus to call open interest, the picture becomes clearer. Calls are heavily concentrated between 25,800 and 26,000, with fresh call writing visible above the ATM. Change in open interest confirms this further. Call writing is stronger than put writing. Rallies are being actively sold. Upside participation remains limited. The market is comfortable selling strength, not chasing it. Now, if at all we look at PCR and positioning context, with PCR below 1 and PCR flow also weak, fresh positioning continues to favor calls over puts. This tells us one important thing: the market is not building upside momentum, it is managing risk through balance and supply. Now, let's look into seasonality. Looking at Nifty's performance between the dates 19th and 24th trading sessions over the last 15 years, we can say that we have an average return of negative 0.11%, win rate of 51.7%, positive periods of 93, negative periods of 87. This data clearly shows no directional edge. Historically, this phase has favored choppy, two-sided price action with a slight negative bias. In other words, seasonality supports consolidation to mildly bearish behavior, not trending rallies. Now, if at all we look into the earnings, which is an important factor, we had key heavyweights reporting their quarterly results like Infosys, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries. Because heavyweight stocks dominate the index, earnings periods usually force institutions to hedge and reduce directional bets, which caps upside enthusiasm and keeps Nifty compressed in a range or mildly constructive phase rather than trending strongly. However, if Nifty decisively moves above 25,850, the current supply structure weakens and the bias shifts from consolidation to bearish towards bullish continuation. So let's quickly summarize objectively. Price is holding above support but struggling near supply. Put writers are active but call writers are more aggressive. PCR and flow indicate supply dominance. Seasonality shows no upside edge. Earnings from major heavyweights add event risk and caution. This combination favors consolidation to bearish structure, not a breakdown, but also not a runaway move.